So you want to get your 1-inch button sheet out and place it under the circle cutter. Make sure it's aligned with the circle and just spin it around and cut. And make sure you have that metal plate underneath while you do that, or else it'll scratch the table. And then you can get out the button maker, and in the one well you want to put in that like metal shell disc thing. Put the sharp side on the bottom, and then put the graphic on top. And then take the Mylar disc and put that on top as well. And sort of pat it down, make sure it's in there pretty well. And take the ring, metal ring, and have that sharp side facing up. So you want the well to be underneath with the graphic. And push down on the lever so that the graphic is stuck up there. And then swivel it so that the well with the ring is punched down now with the lever. And there you go. You have your button, but you still need to put the pin in the back. So in the small paper brown bag, there's a bunch of like copper pin looking things. So you'll just sort of pop it in the back. And make sure the pointy part is like facing you so that you can actually latch it on. And there you go.